The fact that we are getting closer and closer to the release of the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 gets me excited. Sadly, though, I'm more excited about the Ultra variants than the Fold variants. I mean, the Ultra variant of the Z Fold 6, not the Z Fold 6. But nonetheless, though, I'm so excited for it because it still looks like it's going to be a really good phone. And this is the first real image we got of the phone. Wow. It looks beautiful. I actually really like the look of it. So the Z Flip 6 looks almost identical, except for I think the cameras look a little bit like kind of more bolded on each of the rings. And that might just be that exact design. But the actual Z Fold 6 looks so boxy. Like it kind of reminds me of the S24 Ultra, where you put two S24 Ultras together, and that's kind of how it looks. And I think that's a perfect looking design. There's nothing really wrong with that. You know, I've been very known for saying I don't like the Google Pixel Fold 2 design, but I think the Z Fold 6 here looks pretty dang good. Kind of like it actually better than the Z Fold 5, and I really do like the Z Fold 5's look to that phone. But this is our first actual look at the phone, and yeah, I mean, it's coming out next month, guys. We are 1 month away from this phone hitting the market and being able to actually, use it and actually see how good it is. And again, it's going to be amazing. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor in it. It has plenty of gigabytes of RAM. It's going to be a great phone. But it's not, it doesn't feel the same until you get it in your hands, right? At the end of the day, you can say this phone's going to be great, this phone's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever. But until I actually get it in my hands, it's just oh, cool, this phone's going to be awesome. I want to actually see it and use it. Which, again, like I said, will be next month. So, first actual image of it, and again, very, very much boxy look. The Z Flip 6 is going to be the exact same as the Z Flip 5. Oh, that's going to be the exact same phone. At least the Z Fold 6 looks a little bit different, and then the Ultra variant will be the actual true upgrade, but we'll have to wait for that one. Again, that one won't come out probably till August. Right around August. Maybe October. Who knows? September, October. I think it's going to come out after the Pixel Fold 2 comes out and after the OnePlus Open comes out. But not much after that. Probably like maybe a week or two after that. Just kind of get all the hype up with those two phones. And then Samsung comes in with the slam dunk with their Z Fold 6 Ultra. But I'll see you guys next one.